talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
I walk back in and this happens. False alarm that I'm still here. False alarm that I'm still here. You guys are ridiculous.
Oye, compadre, a mí no me esté grabando, por favor.
No empiece, bro. Yo estoy grabando a ellos. Y este es mi derecho.
Estás en tu derecho.
Vete por ahí para allá, bro.
Tú no, que no me grabes.
Ok, vete, quédate en la casa.
¿Cómo que quédate en la casa, chico?
Mira, te están grabando ahí.
¿Por qué tú no te buscas un trabajo?
Este es mi trabajo. Gano un buen dinero en YouTube.
Sí,
grabando el gobierno. ¿Tú sabes lo que pasó aquí la semana pasada?
Sí, chico, yo lo sé.
Entonces,
una persona comete un error, va todo el mundo.
Esto es América, esta es la libertad de los otros.
Oye, si por una persona que comete un error, todo el mundo tiene que cumplir.
Todo, ya.
Todo.
Estoy aquí por eso.
No, tú lo que eres un estúpido. Lo que
Tú eres estúpido también. Ya.
Buscate un trabajo, no jodas.
Este es mi trabajo y gano un buen dinero. Yo, he's causing a disturbance, bro.
Metiendo una mentira a la gente en YouTube. ¿Sí?
Ahora te estoy grabando aquí, bro, es
A
mío.
mí me puedes grabar lo que te salga a ti del culo.
Dale, está
Lo
bien.
que te dé la gana.
It's causing a disturbance, bro. Este va a estar para Cuba, brother. Si no te gusta la libertad de América. Hey, Papi, I just have to ask you one more question, bro. That's it. Your postmaster, Claudio, is the postmaster to this post office? No. He's not Claudio? You sure? All right, I'm gonna find, because I know him. All right, that's all I wanted to know, if he was a postmaster to here. All right, cool. Cuban Karen Darren right there, dude. I'm not here for fucking Darrens and Karens, they can eat one. But
Just the supervisor looking on.
this is called freedom of America, dude. If you don't like it, hop back on the boat. Hop back on the boat, homie. Telling me I can't record it or record it, dude. You need to take the step, bro. Go eat some rice and beans, dude. Go eat some more rice and beans, bro. Yeah, you're retarded, bro. Tú eres la normal. Tú no sabes lo que es libertad aquí en América, bro. Esto es libertad, bro. This is called freedom, dog. Freedom. You don't like it, hop on the boat. Hop on the boat, homeboy. Yeah, they want to hide and run in the back. We don't give no names and break policies.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Y'all already know who this is. And yeah, so you guys saw that little clip in the beginning, and I'm not gonna even entertain showing the full video, but I will leave a link for his full 24-minute video in the first pinned comment. So give the man some credit for doing due diligence. Problem that I have is I watched the full video from beginning to end, and it was very entertaining. Yeah, entertaining. He starts off by saying he saw this video and he had to pay the people a visit for himself. Great. You're piggybacking off of some story that was already there. Cool. I get it. He needed to do an audit. Cool. I get it. Freedom of speech. Cool. I get it. But then he proceeds to go to the same place that within 1 week had an issue. So of course everybody's gonna be on edge because of the last Karen, or whatever you all wanna call it, came in there and started their bull sugar. All right, so he goes in there and the first thing he observes is a dirty floor. God forbid at a post office, the busiest package company in the country, has some scraps of paper on the floor. God forbid. So he emphasized that they gotta get somebody to clean it up. Well, I left a comment saying, well, in a respectful manner, say, hey, look, they don't have janitors walking out there every 15 minutes behind customers. Respectful comment. Cool. I proceeded to watch the remainder of the video as he goes in and does what? He says, look, the first thing, and he pauses the video. First thing they do is they go notify people in the back that I'm out here recording. Well, this is where the public and you auditors don't get it. We just had a service talk and I left that information. I said, hey, I have a video speaking about the service talk that we have. When we have an issue like that, we notify a supervisor. So they did exactly what they were supposed to do. So now they're aware. Because you can record all you want. Stay out the way. But instead of staying out the way, he decided to do what? Interject. If you're there just recording, set your little stand up and record. But as I said before, controversy leads to views. Views lead to exposure, and exposure with the views equals money. Piggybacking off of somebody else's trauma. So he goes in there and says, oh, look, there was more people in the back. Now they're coming out all of a sudden. Let's slow your brakes there, cousin. There was clerks in the back because when you get a package, they bring the packages to the back, or they had to go in the back and grab a package for one of the customers. That's kind of how real work works. But let them tell it. And he has tons of views. Let the people and tons of comments. You see, there's always the other side because I sit on this side and I know what happens. And like I said from the get-go, I didn't agree with the way she reacted initially, but I get it. But when I said that people are antagonistic, and he tend to use my word, I'm not antagonizing anybody, you 100% are. And it was clear from the clip that I showed. You, my man, are the racist. You don't sit there and talk to somebody because the first thing the man said to you, and I don't even speak Spanish, so I had to have it translated, was, please. He said, por favor, please do not record me. Your response to him was, it's a free country, and the Cubans, and go back on the boat, and eat your rice and beans. That was racist, and that was prejudice, my mans. And you're Latin. You're Latin. Why would you do that? Oh, you're Puerto Rican? And you don't like the Cubans? And the Cubans don't like the Puerto Rican? I don't know. I don't care. I'm not Latin. Bottom line is, you antagonize that man that was a paying customer, and you continue to antagonize him through it. You drew a reaction to one of our customers. So you, my man, you get the thumbs down. Bear, I gave you a thumbs down. Now I ain't gonna argue with you or curse at you, because that's what you wanted. You wanted them to come out there and curse at you and argue with you, because after the man gave you the phone number towards the end, it wasn't good enough. He gave you everything you wanted for what? Because you went in there looking for trouble? Oh, if you were just recording, you would have sat your ass in the back and recorded. But you wanted the views. And I proved my point. First Amendment, great. Sit your ass there all you want. You ain't got nothing else to do during the day. Pull up a chair. Shit. Nobody cares until you interfere with the operation. And you stepped in towards the end. While those men were talking, you went and interrupted them to go talk to their supervisor again. Oh, I came back in because, so if I can't, are you the postmaster? That is not important. It wasn't important. He gave you a number, you left and came back in. You're a troublemaker, that's what you are. But you got your views. So everybody that defends the First Amendment right, we all for it. First Amendment right, freedom of speech. But see what happens when you antagonize people, as long as it doesn't cause controversy. And you wanted the controversy. You got the views. Now what? What did you prove? Nothing. And then had the audacity to get mad when one of them took out a camera on their phone and took a picture of you. You got mad because they took a picture of you after you were recording that Spanish man, the older Spanish man. Audacity. So my guy and my postal family that didn't agree with me from before, maybe you understand that these auditors, some are good, some are bad, but a majority of them just want the views. They don't show you anything that's negative. I mean, anything that's positive. But you know what Jay's gonna do for you guys? Y'all mark my words. Jay's gonna dress in civilian clothes. I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone. Jay is going to be an auditor as well. I'm gonna go to one of my post offices that don't know who Jay is. And like, everybody knows Jay. No, they don't know me. I take the scarf off and I got a bald head and I go in there. Y'all see it's shining, baby. Damn, that thing fresh. Choo, choo, choo. Anyway, see, don't look the same, right? No, don't. Always have a hat on. Gotta get some sun on this thing. I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna audit and see how they react to me. And I'm gonna post that video and see what you guys think about that. Obviously, I'll ball off the clock, but I want y'all to see if they're as nasty as possible. Now, I told you there's some nasty clerks. I did. But I wanna see how much they are. And I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna sit my ass in the corner and I'm gonna see what the reaction is. And prove to you all that maybe these auditors are fraudulent auditors. Who gave you a motherfucking license to be an auditor? You got a camera in your hand, be a motherfucking auditor? Get that out of here. Fuck out of here. Go watch this man's full video. And some of you'll agree with him. That's cool. But I totally disagree with the fact at the end, he started with the racism. And he went in there to antagonize him. He said, I'm gonna go and find out. You don't go pressure somebody because you just saw that happening. You gonna piggyback off of somebody else's misery. And just for anybody else that thought otherwise that she was gonna get fired, she was in there. She was in there doing customer service. So old male Karen that was there last week with your little broken arm, you didn't do nothing except for make yourself look like a total asshole. Yeehaw, donkey.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.